So I created a nice little routine just for you because we're girls. And yeah, so these are your pre-poos, these are your shampoos, and these are your deep conditioners. I'm a deep conditioner girly, so I skip the conditioner and go straight to the deep conditioner. So for relaxed hair, what you want to do is look for bond builders. So brands like Olaplex, Redken, or even Curlsmith are really good. And what bond builders do is that they're made of these small little tiny molecules that are small enough to penetrate your hair shaft and repair it from within. And it's different from protein treatments that work on the outside of your hair shaft, whereas bond builders go deep inside and repair the bond from within. So for pre-poos, these are my recommendations. I really love the African Pride pre-poo. I just started using it and it detangles my hair like amazingly. Like I made a video on it and like I was detangling my hair from the root. I don't usually do that. But yeah, that and aloe pre-poos, 10 out of 10 for me. Smith also has a really good pre-poo. I'm recommending this one because it has some bonds inside. So like this whole line is really good. It has protein, bonds, amazing for strengthening, repairing the hair. This is amazing. A little on the pricey side, but your hair is an investment. So if you want to be on the more affordable side of the pre-poos, I would definitely recommend African Pride or doing a DIY aloe. I have one on my page. You could check that out. Now we want to focus on keeping your hair hydrated and moisturized as long as possible. Now what I do is leave-in, cream, and oil. For my leave-in, I love using hair teas. And we're looking for herbs that are really gonna like strengthen, restore your hair, and like bring life back into your hair. So fenugreek, high in protein. And if you have weak and brittle hair, get you some fenugreek. And I don't know what it is about the horsetail, but I used to have fine hair. And I just discovered 24 hours ago that my hair is thick now. Like every natural hairstylist I would go to, they were like, yeah, you have fine hair. And there's a way you could do like the test yourself. I did the test and I had fine hair. Like I wouldn't even feel the hair strand in my hair. And now I'm looking at my hair strand like a couple hours ago. I'm like, she's thick as hell. Like it's the horsetail. Get you some horsetail, fenugreek. Ooh. Amla is also really good because it penetrates damaged hair and repairs it from the inside out. So get you some amla. Ooh, nettle is really good too. Listen, make you a nice little blend for your hair, okay? Now for the cream / leave-in, which is more so on the creamier side, these are the brands that I recommend because they're more thicker. Now, I'm not too much of a fan of Shea Moisture, but this leave-in, even when my hair was dyed, it will keep my hair moisturized. I don't know it's the Jamaican castor oil. This leave-in, 10 out of 10. And that Blue Magic will keep your hair moisturized for days, okay? So again, I do leave-in cream oil, and you could use whatever oil to lock in. I find that jojoba works for me, as well as castor oil. Use castor oil if you want to keep your hair moisturized for a longer period of time. That will really lock in the moisture. Or you could use avocado oil, argan oil, what other oils? Whatever oils. These are the oils that you use to retain moisture in your hair. And yeah. So these are my final tips for your hair growth journey. We're all on this journey together. We want to grow our hair, get our inches, and this is what I would recommend for you. So my first tip is to give yourself a nice little hair reset. So give yourself a nice little trim and do an ACV rinse. So ACV rinse is going to deeply cleanse your scalp and it's going to close your cuticles so that your hair can retain more moisture and give you like that nice shine and a nice proper reset. Deep condition your hair every wash day. Even if you're a conditioner girly, deep condition your hair. Keep your hair hydrated. Never let your hair dry out. If you let your hair dry out, it's gonna break and you're not gonna retain the length that you've been growing. Never let your hair dry out. Get you that hair tea, spray it on your hair every 3 days, whatever the case. Never let your hair dry out. Always like seal and protect your ends because like it's the oldest part of your hair. You want to make sure you're really tucking them in, sealing them with oil, and like taking care of your babies, you know? Sometimes our hair wants to be an introvert. You know, she doesn't want to be seen. She just want to mind her business and like be tucked away. So less manipulation is best. Less manipulation. Low tension hairstyles are always a go. Avoid pulling on your hair too much. If you want to do like a slick back or anything tight, try to do it like once a week. I would personally say once a month, but like if you feel like you want to style your hair more, or if it's been your go-to, minimize it to like once a week. Rice water every 2 weeks. This is going to be your protein treatment to strengthen your hair, to bring life into your hair, to like, again, help those weaker strands become stronger. And this will grow your hair, bro. This will grow your hair. I did a rice water tutorial. Check that out. I'm telling you, we're growing our hair this year, okay? And lastly, get you a bonnet. Get you a nice little silk or satin bonnet, a nice little cute one. But yeah, these were my recommendations. Pick your products, pick your favorite ones, create that routine for yourself. I gave you some good options. If you stick to the routine and you follow it, if you follow your routine and stick to it, I promise you by December, your hair will be stronger, thicker, and healthier, period.